What is innovation management? Innovation management is the management of innovation processes. It refers both to project and organizational innovation. Innovation management includes a set of tools that allow managers and engineers to cooperate with a common understanding of processes and costs. Innovation management allows the organization to respond to external or internal opportunities and uses creativity to introduce new ideas, process, or products. It is not relocated to our Indeed. It involves workers in every level in contributing creativity to a company's product development, manufacturing, and marketing. By utilizing innovation management tools, management can trigger and deploy the creative capabilities of the workforce for the continuous development of a company. Common tools include brainstorming, virtual prototyping, product life cycle management, idea management, trice cascade project model management, product line planning, and portfolio management. The process can be viewed as an evolutionary integration of organization, technology, and market by interacting series of activities, search, select, implemented, capture. Innovation process can either be push or pull of development. A push process is based on existing or newly invented technology that the organization has access to and tries to find profitable applications for. A pull process is based on finding areas where customers need or not met and then find solution to those needs to succeed, what either method and understanding of both market and the technicals problem are needed by creating multifunctional teams containing both engineers and marketers. Both dimensions can be solved. Innovation management is based on some of the ideas put forth by the Austrian economist Joseph Schumpeter, working during the 1930s, who identify innovation as a significant factor in economic growth. His book, Capital, is in Socialism and Democracy. First, fully develop the concept of creative destruction. Innovation management helps an organization grasp an opportunity and uses to create and introduce new ideas, process, or product industriously. Creativity is a basis of innovation management. The end goal is a changing services or business process. Innovative ideas are the result of two consecutive steps, imitation and invention. By utilizing innovation management tools, management can trigger and deploy creative capabilities of the workforce for the continuous development of the company.